3.
Hi guys, welcome to one more episode of our channel. What's cooking with Katie and Kenny today, right? We're cooking some stewed chicken. Well, this stewed chicken have a history because this is my own little thing. I don't know if anybody else do it, but it's my own little stewed chicken. I'll be adding some vegetables to my stewed chicken and most definitely some blend up seasoning that Kenny did some time ago. Powder seasoning and my onion, sweet pepper and all that is seasoning, right guys? So stay tuned and remember to like, subscribe and share our channel with your friends and family, guys. Keep it locked. So guys, I'm gonna season my chicken. My chicken was already washed and cleaned up for you already. And first I'm gonna add my Kenny's mix up that he did some time ago to the chicken. And this chicken have a special twist to it because even some spinach gonna be in there. I'm gonna add some spinach, some broccoli, carrot. This is my powdered seasoning, broccoli, carrot, and what else, Kenny? Broccoli, carrot, some other bell pepper, yeah, and some corn.
Yeah.
It's got to be, and yeah, most definitely spinach. So my powdered seasoning is a mixture of salt, all-purpose chicken seasoning, and most definitely my Guyanese herb and spice. I can't leave that out. And then now I'm gonna be adding some browning to my mixture. You hear a little girl in the background, that's my daughter. Daughter. And I'm gonna add some of this Maggi seasoning, guys. You know, come out. Alright, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce. I love my barbecue sauce, you know, but this is my only little twist of my stewed chicken. This is a special stewed chicken that I make up. I don't know if nobody else do it, but this is my little thing. And bell pepper, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, tomato, and thyme. Alright. Then I put everything in here and I'm going to mix it up now. This is my only cook. Alright. Stewed chicken. But Kenny, to be honest, Kenny, this is how people season their stewed chicken, you know. So I wouldn't say this is my only thing, but I mean, I'm gonna add the spinach to it, and then I'm gonna add my vegetables at the end. So it's gonna be like a one-pot thing. You don't have to eat it with rice. You can just have it by itself because the vegetables are there and the meat. If you want, you can eat some rice. The rice that I would recommend with this dish is Basmati rice. That I would recommend to eat this chicken because it's gonna be so delicious. Can you remember this chicken that I cooked some time ago? I've been done this like over a year with the spinach and the vegetables.
Yeah.
I've been done it in a while, so I wanna do it today for Saturday now. See it well seasoned and nice? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add my pot, put my oil in, and then I'm gonna put this in. Alright guys, and you're gonna see what's gonna go on with that process. Alright, and then when it's finished, cook down a little bit. I'm gonna, when it's finished basically, I'm gonna add my vegetables. And because you know vegetables, they don't take long to cook. So when my chicken is almost finished, I'll add my vegetables and then with my spinach, my dumpling, and then yeah, and then eat it with the rice, see? Leave this about 10 minutes to saute, right Kenny?
To marinate.
Ah!
I got you this time.
Oi, to marinate.
Yeah, I got you this time.
Yes, to marinate, yes.
Got you this time.
God, Jesus. Alright, feed this some marinade. This must happen to me.
Soaking
Oh, this must happen to me.
and come together. I would have said germinating and laugh off of me. No, use a saute.
A mistake. So anyway, see here? Yeah. Leave this to marinate for a couple minutes and then yeah. That's it. That's it. So let's add. So I'm gonna put my chicken in now. Okay guys? Everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is the chicken being cooked down. My God, my wife is cooking up a storm. When this cook at least the next 10 minutes more, then we add the other ingredients, the vegetable, the broccoli, and the other things that she said in the first part of the video. Cut that brown and pretty, and can I tell you, it smells good. The taste of it so far is well. It tastes very nice. My God, it's doing well. And over there's the basmati rice being prepared. Yes, sir. Here we go. This is what is for Sunday dinner. Yes, sir.
So guys, I'm gonna put my spinach in now in the stew. So chicken there. That's the color that I am going for. My stew chicken, alright? Turn on the stove a little bit. Put my spinach in. Okay, alright? My spinach in. I love this stew chicken. For dumpling, yeah. My mother and my father used to cook brown stew chicken and dumpling when I was younger. It was so good. Why not just have everything in one pot? Kenny?
But that's why
You want to have one ball? Okay, I'll put one little ball in here. Vegetables are going in now. See guys, I'm putting in the vegetables. Broccoli, carrot, corn, healthy meal.
You can put all the corn in it.
Yeah.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This patty look nice. Woo! Woo! Look at that. First you seen pot like this, don't people? Tell me the truth.